Hello, guys. My name is J.M. Luna, as known as Moses, and today we are going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Um, we call those quantifiers because they talk about quantity, okay? So let's jump into the class. Um, can we count the objects? Yes, so they're countable. Can we count oranges? Yes. An orange, two oranges. They're countable. Can we count rice? No. So we say some rice. Can we count dogs? Yes. So we say a dog, four dogs, three dogs. So dogs are countable. Can we count cars? Yes. So then we use a car, four cars. Can we count paint? No. So we say some paint. Can we count students? A student, some students. Yes. So we say that students are countable. Can we count water? Some water? No. So, water is uncountable. So, let's see. How do we use it? Number one, let's see. What are these? What is this? An orange. Very good. What is this? A car. Very good. What is this? A puppy? Yes. Or a dog? Yes. Or is this? And this is a student. Very good. So, an orange, a student, a car, a dog. So here, as you see, we use an for nouns that start with vowels. We use a for nouns that start with consonants, as S, C, D. All right? So we say a car because this starts with a consonant, a car, a dog, an orange, a student. Very good. So, in affirmative sentences with plural nouns, we use some. For example, there are some oranges. There are some dogs. There are some students. Very good. In affirmative sentences with countable nouns, we use some. In affirmative sentences with uncountable nouns, we use also some. There is some rice. There is some paint. There is some water. In negative sentences and questions with plural nouns, we use any. There aren't any oranges. Remember, negative sentences. There aren't any dogs. Are there any students? So again, negative sentences and questions with plural nouns, we use the word any. In negative sentences and questions with uncountable nouns, we use the word any. There isn't any rice. There isn't any paint. Is there any water? Again, we use any in negative sentences and questions with uncountable nouns. Very good. A lot of. Let's see how we use a lot of. There are a lot of students. There is a lot of sugar. So, we use a lot of with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. So a plural noun, students, many students, right? A lot of students. Sugar is an uncountable noun, so we say there's a lot of sugar. Okay? We also use any with uncountable nouns in negative sentences. There aren't many dogs. There aren't many students. With we use much with uncountable nouns in negative sentences. There isn't much paint. There isn't much rice. Very good. How many with uncountable nouns in questions. How many dogs are there? There are 4 dogs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many students are there? There are 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can say that there are 2 men and there are 2 girls. How much with uncountable nouns in questions. How much paint is there? How much rice is there? Okay, so here we have a, an, some, and any. Countable singular, countable plural, and uncountable. So in the affirmative, countable singular, we have a, an. In plural, countable plural, we have some, any.